Bismillah. Welcome back to my new video. And as I promised, my this video should be about to explain how parts will be connected to each others and how it will be how it will rotate. And first of all, for those who is not following from the beginning, this is a robotic arm with 6 degree of freedom. This one, the first degree of freedom, will rotate in this direction about the z axis, and this one, the second, will rotate in this way, and this is the third one, will rotate in this way also, and this one is same, will rotate like this. 1 2 3 4. Here we have the wrist. So the wrist is to rotate, so the gripper will rotate in this direction, and also it will rotate like this. So this one has 2 degree of freedom. So when we sum all, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is that's why we call it 6 degree of freedom, a robotic arm with 6 degree of freedom. um, this part, the wrist, it is made of as you can see, it's a bevel gears. It's a mixture about a bevel gears and a worm gears. So these motors, it has so the connection between these motors and this bevel gears, it has a gear ratio of 25. So yeah, so when these two motor is rotating in the same direction, so this this gripper will rotate in this direction, like this or like this. It depends on which way the rotor both are rotating. When they are in opposite direction, so this bevel gears here will rotate in the opposite direction, so it will rotate this wrist like this or like this. Okay, for this one, it's a cycloid drive with a double stage. So I will show in my next video how I made this part, but for now this video is about just about how things is connected to each others. So this one is double stage, so it has two motors. So both motors is working together to achieve this rotation, and this, and so three jointure is the same. This and this one, they are all the same. They are all is made with a double stage cycloid drive. And this part about the z-axis, the rotation about the z-axis, it is made of a cycloid drive, a single stage. So this one, it has a gear ratio about 124. That means the torque that provided by this motor will be multiplied by 24 to rotate this part in the top. So for this one, it has a gear ratio of 72. That means the torque that provided by these two motors will be multiplied by 72. This part is very important, the gearbox that I made, or we can sometimes they say a gear ratio, a reducer, but not gearbox. They are very important for those who are interested in robotic arm, because this is, it will provide force to your arms. Without this, the motor itself cannot provide enough force to turn or to pull or to push your arm. This is the main reason why we use this reducer for all. If you check on internet, all 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 design put a reducer on their design, because a single motor like this, otherwise you will buy a very expensive motor to achieve the same purpose. So we use a reducer to make it easy for the motor to turn to articulate the joint. Okay, thank you for this following me. But my next part will be focused on the software that I will use to control this robotic arm. I'm thinking about this gripper to grab something and grab it and move it somewhere, like rotating or moving up, down, forward, backward. This is the purpose. This is my mission for my next video. Okay, thank you and see you next time.